Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Discover the power of customization with the OBDeleven Pro Pack. This complete package features the OBDeleven next-gen device paired with a 12-month PRO VAG plan, exclusively designed for Volkswagen Group vehicles. Unlock SFD-locked features to fully diagnose and tailor your ride. With capabilities like manual and long coding, adaptations, freeze-frame data access, and basic settings adjustments, you can scan all available systems and clear faults in minutes. Plus, it's also available for Toyota Group vehicles. Choose from thousands of ready-to-use one-click apps to effortlessly adjust comfort, safety, and driving features. Integrate retrofitted parts, reset service lights, and even run unique tests like video in motion or a needle sweep gauge. Officially licensed by top automotive brands, OBDeleven Next Gen is a Bluetooth-enabled diagnostic tool that simplifies car maintenance for everyone. Elevate your mobile experience with these versatile metal plates designed for magnetic mounts, perfect for both car and home use. Crafted with a heat-resistant, automotive-grade formula, they securely attach to the back of your iPhone, Android, tablet, or case, ensuring a rock-solid connection with any magnetic holder. Available in various sizes, these plates accommodate both larger and smaller devices, offering a custom fit whether you mount on your dashboard, windshield, or vent. Simply apply the protective film to your device or case first, then attach the metal plate for an easy, residue-free removal later. For heavier phones, apply the magic plate directly to your device or the exterior of your case for extra stability. For optimal results, allow 24 hours after application before using your mount, and enjoy the seamless integration of style and functionality wherever you go. Experience the ultimate driving companion with the Elam-TO portable CarPlay screen. Engineered to flawlessly integrate your smartphone via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Imagine cruising down the road as your device automatically connects to the screen, transforming your drive into a high-tech adventure that fits seamlessly in almost any vehicle. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.3, you enjoy a stable connection that delivers pristine, lossless audio through your car's stereo, with support for FM wireless and aux outputs. The built-in crystal-clear mic lets you command Siri or Google Assistant for hands-free calls, messages, and music, enhancing both safety and convenience. With real-time GPS navigation that syncs directly with your phone, say goodbye to constant map updates and hidden fees. The impressive 9.26-inch touch display mirrors iOS and Android screens, perfect for streaming movies or TikTok videos on long trips. Before using the device for the first time, please ensure it is fully charged. Keep the contact surface dry and dust-free. And when mounting on rough surfaces like car panels or dashboards, apply the auxiliary sticker beforehand. Unlike traditional vacuum suction phone holders, Jaycoe-Louis's latest car electric suction cup vacuum magnetic phone holder features a full 360-degree rotation to accommodate every viewing angle you need. This innovative, portable phone holder combines powerful vacuum suction with a robust magnet, allowing it to securely attach to smooth surfaces such as mirrors, glass, and marble, as well as to iron surfaces like fitness equipment and refrigerators. It's an ideal accessory for content creators on TikTok and Instagram. Simply place it gently, and the MagSafe suction mount will automatically attach, ensuring a stable and reliable hold every time. Set your desired pressure on the digital tire inflator and let it do the rest. The device automatically shuts off once the target pressure is reached. It comes with a versatile charging setup, including a 3.3 feet USB-C home charging cord and a 9.8 feet DC cigarette lighter power cable for on-the-go convenience. The easy-to-read LED display shows both current tire pressure and battery level, while simple increase-decrease buttons make precise calibration a breeze. With a powerful output of 25 liters per minute, the Bullseye Pro can inflate a tire from 24 psi to 34 psi in less than 2 minutes. 4 built-in LED lights illuminate the work area, ensuring pinpoint accuracy even at night. An 18-inch flexible air hose with a quick connector and a built-in accessory compartment complete this efficient and compact inflator. Say goodbye to hand pain and hello to effortless hauling with Click and Carry, the ultimate padded handle device that transforms even the heaviest loads into a breeze. Whether you're battling grocery bags, paint cans, sports gear, or even walking several dogs, this ingenious carrier makes every trip feel lighter and more balanced. Designed with soft gel padding to cushion your shoulders and hands, it ensures that even when you're carrying up to 100 pounds, you won't suffer from painful grooves or strain. Its durable construction means it's built to last through countless shopping trips and daily tasks, while its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to store in your kitchen, car, or garage. Embrace the convenience and efficiency of Click and Carry and become a true one-trip warrior, ready to tackle life's most annoying cargo with ease. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Effortless tire changes with this advanced electric car jack, designed to lift vehicles and trucks up to 17.7 inches in under 2 minutes. Powered by your car's cigarette lighter or battery, it offers a versatile lifting range from 5.9 to 17.7 inches, allowing you to elevate your car in less than a minute for a quick tire change. Its non-slip cross-groove design ensures stable lifting, while the built-in automatic air pump and bright LED light provide added functionality for various tasks. The complete kit includes an electric impact wrench to easily remove tire screws, a safety hammer, a 3.5-meter power cable, battery clamps with wire, a pair of gloves, and a user manual, all neatly stored in a durable plastic case for portability and convenience. To guarantee maximum safety, the jack automatically stops when it reaches its height limit, making it an essential emergency tool that requires no physical strain. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just need a reliable backup, this electric car jack set simplifies tire changes and ensures you're always road ready. Experience peace of mind like never before with our accurate, discreet, real-time GPS tracker, securely housed in a powerful twin magnet case. Designed for seamless integration, it offers customizable position updates as frequent as every 10 seconds, so you stay informed with pinpoint accuracy. With a battery life of up to 2 months at the default 1-minute update interval, you can trust that your tracker is always ready when you need it. Set up custom instant alerts via text or email, ensuring you're immediately notified of any changes. Whether you're tracking your vehicle, monitoring machinery, safeguarding valuables, or keeping loved ones in view, user-friendly tracking software offers 24/7 live monitoring across the USA, Canada, and Mexico. Imagine a device that harnesses the power of high-efficiency solar panels and robust 5,000 mAh lithium batteries, delivering a full 24-hour continuous battery life so you can drive worry-free in any weather without the hassle of frequent charging. This advanced system offers exceptionally accurate sensor data with precision up to +1 psi, while consuming minimal power and quickly detecting abnormalities. Engineered to be waterproof, dustproof, anti-theft, and capable of withstanding strong compression, it ensures your safety with real-time alerts for air leakage, low high pressure, high temperature, sensor data loss, and low battery. A super strong antenna provides signal transmission up to 130 feet without the need for repeaters, making it ideal for virtually any vehicle. It automatically wakes with driving vibrations and enters sleep mode when the car stops, while a 7.84-inch color screen delivers crystal clear readings to keep your journey safe and smooth. Introducing the CarmTech Camper Leveler, featuring an ingenious jointing system that connects the leveler's precise grip channels with the chock's notches, effectively preventing any sliding while your RV remains perfectly level. This smart leveling design automatically aligns more grip channels with the notches as your RV's weight increases, ensuring a secure, customized fit every time. Crafted from high-performance polymer, the camper leveler is built to last a lifetime and works with any trailer weighing up to 35,000 pounds, accommodating tires up to 32 inches in diameter. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional travel trailer leveling blocks or planks under your tires. Level your trailer in any increment from ½ inch to 4 inches in less than 5 minutes. Meet the Wolfbox MegaFlow 100 electric air duster, a true cleaning powerhouse that spins up to 150,000 RPM and delivers a maximum wind speed of 45 meters per sec for swift dust and debris removal. With 3 adjustable speed settings, it effortlessly adapts to a range of tasks. Designed with 5 nozzles and 2 brushes, it even doubles as a handy tool for inflating gear or managing campfires. Built from durable materials, the MegaFlow 100 boasts a long-lasting battery that can be reused over 500 times, making it a sustainable and economical alternative to single-use compressed air cans. It supports Type-C charging, fully powering up in just 2.5 hours, and offers up to 100 minutes of runtime on its first gear, with 4 charging options to suit your needs. Weighing a mere 0.66 pounds and featuring a convenient lanyard, this lightweight device is perfect for indoor cleaning, outdoor adventures, travel, and camping.